Thank you for stopping by. If you are looking to get certified, you've come to the right place. With over 400 different certifications for government and corporate, there's a lot of opportunity that is out there. We have a lot of information on our website on multiple pages, and you can see which certifications you qualify for if you go onto the home page and fill out a couple of questions. You'll be able to see directly what you qualify for. BizCentral USA is a certified woman minority veteran owned company. We've developed a streamlined system called the Fast Track Biz Certification process, and it's helped over 40,000 small businesses since 2004. BizCentral USA is a great fit for companies that want to grow their business and make more money, are committed to getting certified, and are able to invest the time and financial resources to get it done. Getting certified, it's not an easy process. On the average, it takes about 145 pages of documents per shareholder or member of a company. It's pretty tedious. And once the application is filed, there are many questions that come from the certifying agencies, and there's also a rigorous interview process. If you are denied, you will have to wait anywhere from between 6 months to up to 2 years to reapply. Additionally, if you did get denied because you created your own application, it is hard to overcome in the future. But BizCentral USA is here to help. We go through a 10-step process. We are going to help you with this process, and we're going to try to explain everything as we go along. At BizCentral USA, we believe in the power of personalized attention and focused work to help our clients achieve that goal. That's why we only take on a limited number of clients at any given time. So if you are simply looking just for a price to complete an application, we may not be the company for you, because we are about long-term relationships. We want to get to know your company. We want to refer you out when we work with you. We want to help improve your business as much as possible so that you can win those contracts. So we only take on so many clients. By limiting the number of clients we work with, we're able to provide each company with the individualized attention and support that they need to make meaningful progress towards our goals. And this allows also for us to develop a strong rapport, building a deeper understanding of their situation, whatever that may be, and develop more effective strategies for creating lasting change. Because when you're doing these contracts, it's a long-term relationship. And because of our relationships with government agencies and also with corporations who are looking for small, diversified companies as vendors, we need to understand our companies and our clients' capabilities so that we can match them and refer them out. When we work with clients, we are fully committed to their success. We want to ensure that each person receives the highest level of attention, which is only going to be possible if we limit the number of clients we work with. We want our clients to succeed to create generational wealth through set-aside contracts once they are certified. This is a long-term relationship. If you're ready to invest in getting your company certified, we ask that you fill out a short application form. The link is below, and a consultant will be in touch with you shortly for a free consultation to see if you are a good fit with us. If you're simply searching for a price or for more information on the over 400 different business certifications nationwide, please check our website and our YouTube channel, which is BizCentral USA, which both have a lot of information on it so that it can assist you. Again, thank you for stopping by. We hope that you are ready to take your business to the next level.